In a bustling city, an urban forager turned sound cartographer maps urban noises into living art, guiding others to listen. Through field trips, they teach residents to identify edible urban plants while charting soundscapes that reveal hidden rhythms of streets. They describe the craft, combining botany, acoustic recording, and storytelling to create immersive city experiences. The journey brings patience, humility, and renewed curiosity, proving unconventional work can blend community, ecology, and creativity. Viewers are encouraged to test small experiments, document findings, and pursue paths that connect people to place beyond the desk.